Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add or insert a logo into your boards, mind maps, and presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. All right, guys. So what you want to do is take a look at that panel here on the left-hand side and click into that plus button at the bottom of it. Here in that menu, scroll all the way down till you get to the upload feature. Let me just find it. Here under media, click into it. And after that, select my device, or you may use, for example, a logo saved, stored in Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on and so forth. Let me upload it from my computer, navigate to it, select it, and after that, there you go. As you can see, that's our channel logo. So it will be added to your board, and now you can resize it, reposition it, left click into it to customize it here at the top. You may edit it, for example. You may replace it with another image, for example. You may download it back again on your device. You may crop it, mask it. You may also connect it with your other elements by using these connectors here. Left click into it and simply find the connection for the next item and release a left mouse there to connect both elements. That's it. You may also, of course, rotate your image or your logo. So guys, that's how it works in practice. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.